Hello everyone, this is Reading. As you can tell, this is what you need to know right now. Uh, this reading is a reminder that what goes around comes around. So if you've been really patient, helpful, a giving person in general, you are receiving the same blessings back very soon, tenfold. Okay, now you may be thinking, but everyone says this, but I don't receive it. True, there may be delays, but doesn't mean it's not coming. Like, imagine if you're on a journey, you're taking a flight, right? So, just because the flight is delayed doesn't mean the flight's not going to board you, right? So every journey matters, every experience, there's divine timing that plays role, and no one can take away what's meant for you. Okay, you just need to figure out the right balance in your life, have an open heart, and welcome your blessings with open arms, and know you deserve it. Okay. Now, when I say you have to balance things out in your life, I mean that imagine you have a cup, right? Your cup is already filled with stale tea. Now, if you wanted something fresh, you'll have to pour the cup out, right? Same thing. Now, if you want to experience blessings, you want to receive blessings, let go of things that don't serve you. You should have a balance of what you want in your life and what is no longer serving its purpose. Okay. And if you are single, you may be moving away for some reason. Moving away can be physical, it can also be moving on from a person or it can be moving to a new journey in the sense metaphysical or physical. Life is a journey, and some people start a career journey, some people start a romance journey, some people do a self love journey, right? So, you, as someone who has free will, are about to start a journey that is going to bring you closer to your future spouse. Now, technically, even as you do nothing, you are getting a breath closer to your future spouse every day, but that's not it. It's like you're at home, you have like a flight at 10, right? Every second you spend in your home is also bringing you closer to your destination. But when you're in the flight, it is an action that is directly taking you to the journey, right? Also, if you are stuck in any sort of third party connections, don't waste your time. This person is not worth it. Someone who can sit there, watch you hurt while they spend time with other people, that person is heartless enough to not take care for you, and honestly, you don't deserve it. And don't waste time on someone who is like that. Okay. And when it comes to finances are looking up for all of you, but beware, don't waste a lot of money on things you don't need. And don't sit around waiting for things to happen to you. Go grab those opportunities. Okay. If you're sitting there, you're thinking that, okay, I've done this manifestation and I'm gonna get my uh, offer letter at my door. It doesn't work like that. You have to go apply for the job. and only then will you get the offer letter, right? So these little things, you have to be aware of them and work towards them. But finances are looking up. People who are struggling with health issues, your you have to take care of yourself in general. Okay, the better you eat now, the better it will be for your future, right? And in general, whatever you do, however you take care of yourself, is always going to be rewarding. Okay, the amount you can spend, the money and the time you spend on eating healthy, taking care of yourself, would you rather do that or sit around waiting for you to get sick, then you have to go to the doctor and yeah, so you can either spend all your money and time in recovery at the hospital, Also, one last thing, you can be miserable, you're allowed those emotions, okay? You can be exhausted, you can be tired, you can be all these negative emotions. But what is not allowed is hating yourself, okay? Because from the day you were born till the day now, there are going to be countless moments, even in the future, where all you had was yourself. The only person you could rely on was you, right? Like, even your parents, they can drop you to the exam center on the door, right? But end of the day, only you have to write the exam, right? Some moments, all you can rely on is yourself, your knowledge, your strength. So cultivate it. Don't sit around waiting for someone to save you. Be your own savior and have that balance. Okay. Know when it's okay to ask for help, and also know when it's your time to take a stand for you. Okay, don't sit around looking for an easy way out or have someone to always call, like they have a life, you have a life, everyone has a life. How would you feel if someone was always, bothering you, like, oh my god, I'm stuck here, I'm stuck there, right? You'd be pretty annoyed too, right? So, stop looking for saviors, become your own. And yeah, it's just a lot of scattered messages for a lot of people. I hope the reading resonated, and I'll be starting Pickup Isle readings very soon. This was actually the first pre-recorded video or pre-recorded reading, something more on the collective end, and I'll be doing more of these. So the days I don't stream, like on Mondays and on Fridays and Wednesdays, you can watch these readings, and these will be specific because they'll be Pickup Isle. So even though they're kind of collective, the message you deserve to hear will reach to you. And I'll be leaving you with all this information. Thank you so much for trusting me with your time, space, and energy. I hope the reading resonated, and I hope I'm given the honor to read for you again. Bye bye.